Laboratories is buzzing in trade on the back of a good Q4. Ekta is here with the conference call takeaways. Ekta.
Well, yes, Neuland Laboratories had already reacted to what was a very good set of numbers which came out during markets yesterday. The conference call was held in the evening. A couple of important takeaways. The income, for example, was the highest ever for the company. The growth in the custom manufacturing solution segment has aided in terms of the overall performance this time. And the company said that it was led by the advancement of molecules that they had within their portfolio. The shipping out of products of a molecule in a particular quarter, for example, can aid revenue, but it can be lumpy going forward. So this is not basically a standard that or a base that you expect in terms of the future performance of quarters. Now, commercialization of the molecules are taking place according to them, and however, like I mentioned, it can be lumpy on a quarterly basis as the management indicated. For Q4, the CMS business is not a representation of the CMS business as a base. What is a representation is basically the custom manufacturing solution revenue that they recorded on an FY23 basis. In terms of margin, the better base business, easing input costs have aided margins. The margins could also fluctuate on a quarterly basis. FY23 as a whole, the company has said, has laid foundations to support growth. The company is becoming customer-centric when it comes to a culture as well in the company. And these are a couple of longer-term viewpoints which were put forward by the management in the conference call. The key point being that going forward, the quarterly revenues could be lumpy, and this is because of execution which is taking place within their CMS segment and their portfolio of molecules that they have.
Hey, all right, doing well in trade today. Ekta, thank you so much for making sense of those moves. 55% higher is the gains, basically gains 55% higher on Neuland Labs this year, 25% this week itself, and post numbers it's been doing well. But